What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got some brand new floor mats, Michelin floor mats, all-weather protection. As you guys know, I've been needing some floor mats in my car for a while. So right now we just got carpet, got plastic, whatever on that one. Carpet. I will leave the link in the description. They do sell trunk mats, but I got a trunk bill, so I can't put the mat in. But we about to go ahead and unbox these mats, give you guys a little review on them. I love the brand. They're a pretty good brand. Let's go ahead and unbox them. A mini little unboxing. If you guys know, they make great quality tires, so I'm pretty sure the floor mats are A1. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's the back, I'm pretty sure. And these are the front. And I like how it's long floor mats, like it's gonna cover the whole floor. So 9 times out of 10, this is the driver, yep. This is the driver's side, so we're gonna go ahead and install the driver's side. And the driver's side. Also check out my other videos on the channel. I like how the back has like little designs that where it sticks on the carpet. You don't gotta worry about it moving or shifting as you drive. I need to move this to work. Oh yeah, I love these mats. Look at this. This look real good. This look real good. Look at that. And I like the fact that it covers all up here, all back here, and the side. So when you in the car, even if your foot go right here, you don't gotta worry about dirt getting on the side of your carpet. Like, I already got dirt right here. It protects the whole floor. Look at that. And the best part about them, they're easy to clean. So you can take some dish turds and some water and just clean it. You can put some of the stuff like I put on my dash, like some protective stuff on the mats, keep it clean. You don't gotta worry about that. So let's go ahead and grab the other ones and install them. We'll grab the other passenger side. Like I said, link will be in the description. And these mats, believe it or not, these mats are pretty cheap. Like, all other mats for these Accords is like almost 200 bucks. These right here is like, I think 80, or either it's like 90, almost 100. Almost 100, but look at that. Perfect. Check this out, guys, perfect. Comes all the way up here on the side. I love it. I will leave a link in the description. That look real good in my car. Let's go ahead and put the back mats in. Make sure you guys like, comment on the video. Also, I need you guys to tag them in my video, send my video to them. Okay, I may not be able to do this two-hand. Okay, I will. This will work. Okay. And look at the back. It's a whole mat, so it's not a 3-piece. You don't have to worry about, the mat sliding or nothing. So let me put this in, you guys, and I'll be back. I can't one-hand this one. All right, you guys. So just look at the mats. Tell me this is not fire. So if you got kids, you don't gotta worry about them wasting nothing on the actual floor. Like I said, these can be washable. They washable. You can take them out. You don't gotta worry about them getting scratched up. Look how good that look in this car. Michigan was always a great brand. And of course, they make amazing tires, long-lasting tires, of course. Look at these. Anyways. Also, one thing I forgot to mention about the driver's side, they got like a little clip. You can pull this clip up, and the little factory carpet piece, you can just put that in there, twist it, bam, put put the clip right back over it. So it'll be even more secured on the floor. Twist it. Bam. Look at that. These mats. When you get in the back, you don't gotta worry about nothing. And you can save your OEM carpet, because if you know, these carpets get dirty really quickly. So look at this. This looks real good. Make sure you guys please click the link in the bio. Not the bio, I'm sorry. Click the link in the description. I will link these mats in the description. Also, make sure you guys comment Michigan in the comments or whatever, and I might do a giveaway on these, on some mats, some Michigan mats. I might buy the mats for one of my subscribers and give them away. So make sure you guys also comment in the comments if you want to be in the giveaway. Just like, comment, and subscribe, and click done. Not click done, say done in the comments, and I might do a little, giveaway for you guys. But like I said, these mats are perfect. If you got a cord, TMG cord, these mats are perfect. If you see my footprints on this, look at this. You can easily wipe it off with this type of material. They perfect. So make sure you guys click that link in the description if you guys want the mats. Also, like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And if you want to join the giveaway for a set of these mats, just like, comment, subscribe, and comment done. Peace.